So hello and welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malathia, the pediatric dentist and assistant professor in College of Dental Sciences. So aspirant, we know as we conduct lecture for all the courses available like INICET, NEET MDS, Government Dental Exam, Army Dental Corps and for Gulf countries. And remember aspirants, our courses have been structured in such a way that you can access it anytime, anywhere. You need not require any high speed net or like that. You can access from your mobile only. We have a WhatsApp based lecture in which we provide videos, audios and notes, which you just have to save. You can access when you are free or whenever you want. So it is very feasible for the students, those who are in practicing or those students who are in college. Then aspirant, we have second type of lecture. It's a live online lecture. That also link we are sending to student, and then we have pre-recorded videos. Okay aspirant, remember the exam, the way we are conducting is a mobile friendly site. You don't require a computer or laptop to go for the exam. In your mobile only aspirants, you can give the exams. Now many times we have talked about the Gulf countries job. So many students have requested that sir please prepare video that how to practice dentistry or how to approach for job in Gulf countries. So we decided to make 3 videos for that. In part 1 I'm going to talk about the types of exam, the courses, the topic you need to know and the books required for the Gulf countries. In part 2 it is purely on the document verification and the primary verification, and part 3 we are going to talk about each and every exam in details. Remember aspirant, if somebody will tell you what go for the Gulf, they will tell you anything like go for the Abu Dhabi or no, it is not like that. You have to prepare meticulously, you have to think and then you have to plan for it. So let's start with the video. Part 1, practice dentistry in Gulf countries. Why Gulf countries is going to be good option in the future and now also, because there we have better opportunities. Growth in dentistry is there, the standard of living and prospectus is bit high there, so you can properly work and enjoy your life. That's why the Gulf country job is becoming boom for our students nowadays. But do you think it is easy? No, it is not easy. You have to be thoughtful and you have to work hard to go for that job or to prepare and to go for Gulf countries. So what you need to pass eligibility exams. You know, in abroad dentistry, if you go to USA, UK, Canada, New Zealand, you have to pass language exam, equivalency exam and license exam. But UAE, that's a Gulf countries, the simple thing is that you have to go for the eligibility exam, you have to pass and they will give you license to practice dentistry. Fine, so how to approach? So there are 7 to 8 emirates are there in Gulf countries. So for each emirate the exam is different. So first of all you have to decide where you want to go and then you have to proceed accordingly. Second, you should know the type of exam you have to give and preparation timing. So aspirant, previously it was that the student just preparing the small MCQ like Pulse or Gauri Shankar and they used to clear the exam. But nowadays the competition is tough. Students all over from the India as well as from the other countries are giving those exams. So you require a proper preparation, proper timing is required. And the good thing is that for all the exams, you can decide your exam date. Only for the HUD and KDLE, the university or that board will assign the date. You should know the procedure of application and exam details and everything. And another thing, the coaching is required aspirant, because it is not the simple exam you are preparing, you are giving. The exam is become tougher nowadays. You have to be properly conceptual because they are asking mostly case-based question and good question from the good textbook. So coaching is a must. Just you cannot think that okay, 2 months I'll prepare and I go for the exam. It is tougher aspirant. Why? Because this exam is little different from your NEET and INICET and government exam, because here the number of attempts are limited. You cannot give more than 3 to 4 attempts. Remember, if you are failing 1 to 2 attempts, the third attempt will be like a do or die game for you. Cost to exam is also pretty high. It is not just 3-4,000. It will cost you around 30-35,000. So whenever you are going, you have to plan properly. If anybody want to join our online coaching for Gulf countries, you can DM me. The details are there. Then aspirants comes the types of exam. As I have told you, there are 7 to 8 Emirates, and for everywhere the exam is different. Like for example, if you want to go to Saudi Arabia, the exam is Saudi Dental Licensing Exam. Then for UAE you have 3 exams, like MOH is for Sharjah, Azman, Khamai, Fujairah and Kuwait. For Dubai you have a DHA exam, and for Abu Dhabi and Al Ain we have a HUD exam, which is nowadays known as DOH exam. Then aspirants, you have Oman exam, which is known as OMSB. Then you have Bahrain exam, which is known as NHRA. Then Qatar exam, that is Qatar Council for Healthcare Practitioner. And even the Kuwait exam is also there, that is KDLE. So aspirant, what are topics you have to know? So they focus more on the clinical subject, but it is not simple clinical question. It is a proper case-based question, and along with that you have to learn little basics also. So the topics to focus are basics, diagnostic sciences, operative dentistry, endodontics, perio, oral surgery, pediatric dentistry, prosthodontics, orthodontics. In others they include implant, forensics and laser. Now the recommended list of book. You cannot refer any book, especially substandard book. You have to refer the standard book for the exams, and we provide notes and our lectures are from those books only. So for ortho you have to refer the Mitchell or Profit. For operative you can refer Phillips, then Studwand, and the Fundamentals of Operative Dentistry is a contemporary book that also you can refer. For removable prosthodontics, Hartwell and Boucher is there. For fixed prosthodontic, it is a Rosenstiel and Schillenberg. For perio, you can refer Carranza or implant dentistry. For pedo, you can refer Pinkham, McDonald, Mathewson. For endodontic, it is Engel and Cohen. Then for OMR, you can refer the Schaefer and Burkitt. For oral surgery, you can refer Peterson and Local Anesthesia book. Then website. These are few important website aspirant. For Dubai you can refer this website. For Ministry of Health, MOH exam, this is the website. For HUD exam, this is the website. For Qatar and Saudi Arabia. Remember aspirant, whenever you give exam outside India, there are chances of fraudulent or fraud activities are more. That's why I given the website. And this website also given the description box. So aspirant, whenever you are planning for the abroad dentistry, don't depend on anybody. Have proper information. Go for proper study regarding that, then only apply by yourself, okay, because fraud activities are increased nowadays. Okay aspirants, so see you all with part 2. To join our academy you can contact me. The website, the contact number, email ID and YouTube channel is there. Okay aspirants, so see you part 2 with the most important part of the preparation, that is the documents and all the verification details are there. Till then, take care aspirants. Any doubt you can comment me or you can DM me to the following details.